Want to turn raw cashews into high profits? Let's explore how. Why and how to start a cashew nut processing enterprise. Hello, entrepreneurs. Today, we'll dive into the exciting topic of cashew nut processing, what it is, why you should start this business, its market demand, and key growth drivers. Why start a cashew processing business? Cashew nut processing involves converting raw cashew nuts, RCNs, into edible kernels through mechanical, thermal, and manual methods. This process enhances the value of raw cashews, ensuring a high-quality product for global markets. Global demand. Cashews are one of the world's most popular nuts, with a market size worth $7.78 billion in 2024, projected to reach $11.67 billion by 2033, growing at a CAGR 4.6% from 2025 to 2033. High margin profit. Raw cashew nuts sell at approximately 85 rupees per kilogram, but processed cashews sell at rupees 701,000 kg depending on quality. Export opportunities. Countries like North America, UK, Netherlands, France, Germany, Spain, and Italy are top markets for cashew exports. North America alone consumes 60% of cashews, with high demand in states like California, Florida, New York, Texas, and New Jersey. Other growth drivers. Health benefits. Growing snack industry. Rise in plant-based diets. Product diversification. Agricultural advancements. Cashew processing workflow. Here's a simplified breakdown of the cashew processing process. Harvesting. Farmers collect cashew nuts attached to the cashew apple. Drying. Nuts are sun-dried to reduce moisture content. Steam roasting and shelling. Nuts are roasted steamed to soften shells, which are cracked to extract kernels. Peeling and grading. The inner skin is removed, and nuts are sorted by size, color, and quality. Packaging and distribution. Nuts are vacuum sealed for sale or export. Flowchart. Harvest, drying, roasting, shelling, grading, packaging, distribution. Setting up your cashew processing plant. Legal requirements. Obtain food safety certifications and export permits. Business model. Will you process raw nuts, produce value-added products, example, flavored cashews, or both? Location selection. Choose a site near raw material sources to cut transportation costs. Machinery and equipment. Essential machines include steam boiler, shelling machine, grading machine. Labor requirements. Hire skilled workers or machine operators. Infrastructure. Ensure proper ventilation, power, and storage facilities. Revenue potential and challenges. Profit margins. Effective planning can yield 20 to 30% profits. Challenges. Raw material supply. Source locally from farmers. Quality control. Regularly monitor processes for consistent quality. Market competition. Add value or certifications to stand out. Sustainability. Recycle shells for CNSL production to stay eco-friendly. Cashew processing. Keys to success. Start small. Begin on a small scale and expand as your business grows. Focus on quality. High-grade cashews fetch premium prices. Innovate. Launch flavored or organic varieties for premium markets. Network effectively. Build strong relationships with suppliers, distributors, and buyers. Fact: India and Vietnam lead cashew exports, while the US and EU are top importers. How NPCS can assist you. Starting a cashew processing business requires careful planning. Niir Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, offers detailed feasibility reports, market research and analysis, process insights, machinery and raw material specifications, complete financial projections, regulatory compliance guidance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business insights. Contact us for more details.